If you have a key fob like mine for the CHR, this is how you replace the battery. That's where we're gonna put whatever we can find that fits in there to pop this up. So just there, we're supposed to push it up. Now this is not good. You can also use a dime. I guess a bigger coin will help. Let's try a nickel. Oh, doesn't fit. Let's try a penny. Oh, it worked. Or if you happen to have one of these, even a small screwdriver could help. Try not to let these sharp edges go inside too much. Alright, so once you have it like this, here it's going to show you serial numbers. This will be a good time to take pictures of the serial numbers here in case you ever lose this key. Those numbers are gonna probably help you with taking it to the dealer so they can make you a new key. So it would be a great time to take a picture and to save it on your files in case you ever have problems with this key. Right now it's a great time to give it a good clean around it. You use alcohol wipes for this and you'll clean it up really good. Toothbrush first to scrub the edges, and maybe just some alcohol wipe all around it will help it. Try not to put nothing here inside. And then you just, for this one, you would just lift this up. And that's the size of the battery right there. Now to take off the battery, you will really need something smaller. So once you get your new battery, this is not new, this is the same one that I had. I have to go and buy a new one. About to be 4 years with this car, and I use this every day. So I think I should replace the battery. That way I don't run any risks of the car not unlocking the door. That would be a problem. So this is how you're gonna slide it back in. Just let it drop like that, and then you're just gonna push it from here and it's gonna set in place. Put this back, make sure it's flush, and then you come with the cover. Click, click all around it, and that's it. That's how you change your key fob battery for the CHR, if you happen to have this one.